I'm back with another video. This one is a series starting soon. So yeah. It's gonna be like for Jake, just gonna be when the life like evolve. So be prepared for that. Jake, if you're watching this, just remember, just comment just comment whatever you